Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will walk you through the process of performing a factory reset on the Realme C3 via Settings menu. Feel free to refer to this tutorial video if you need help erasing all content and data on your Realme smartphone, and then restore its factory defaults. A factory reset is often deemed among the last resorts when dealing with complex system issues in mobile devices. By wiping all data and restoring factory default settings, complex bugs that trigger fatal system errors are more apparently obliterated. Performing a factory reset has been proven effective when resolving smartphone issues such as random app crashes, system lags, network connection errors, unexpected boot loops, and other software-related problems. Like any other smartphones, Realme devices including the C variants are also preloaded with different reset commands for users to execute whenever things go wrong, and the device seems to stop working as intended. Depicted in this tutorial video is the process of performing a factory reset, or hard reset, on the Realme C3 smartphone via Settings menu. Before you begin, be sure to back up all your important data from the phone's internal memory. Failure to do so will result in permanent data loss, because this reset will delete all saved information on the device. You can back it up through an external storage media or via cloud system, if available. Once everything is set, you may continue with these steps. From the home screen, swipe the arrow up to access the Apps Viewer. From the Apps Viewer, find and tap on the Settings icon. Doing so will load up the main Settings menu of the phone, prompt a list of all the basic and advanced features, and settings to enable, disable, or configure. Scroll up or down to find additional settings. Then, tap on it to view more settings you can manage. While on the Additional Settings menu, scroll down to the bottom section, and then tap Backup and Reset. The Backup and Reset menu opens, highlighting relevant features and commands. Scroll down to the Data Erasure section, and then tap Erase All Data. A list of all reset commands will show up on the next screen. To execute a factory reset, tap Erase All Data. Enter your device pattern or passcode on the next screen to proceed. A pop-up menu will then appear beneath the display. Read and review the message, and then tap Erase Data to confirm and instigate factory reset. The device will then start erasing all data, including downloaded files, apps, photos, and music. The entire reset process may take several minutes depending on the amount of data to wipe and restore. When the reset is finished, the phone will reboot automatically. After it reboots, you can proceed with the initial setup process to configure and use your phone as new. Please note that this reset is only applicable if the device is responsive. To factory reset an unresponsive Realme phone, you will need to execute the hard reset via Android Recovery. To execute this reset, you will need to use the hard reset hardware keys to enter recovery mode, and then wipe the device using the recovery command. And that's all about performing a factory reset on the Realme C3 through Settings. If you find this content useful, please help our channel grow by leaving a like, subscribe, and enable the bell icon to get notified on our latest video. Thank you for watching.